What are you alleging as the past due amount of rent? $3,395 plus what?
$250.
You were holding rent because
That the bathroom and the kitchen and the living room and the basement would be repaired.
with two people's names on it, two
Yes.
tenants. Why did you only name her in the eviction? That's what you just showed me. That's your agreement. So your manager allowed you to add it.
Some sense of it.
Okay, today was the date that was scheduled for hearing. This is for non-payment of rent. My understanding is that you all could not come to a resolution. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And so you are the landlord, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, and so this is for non-payment of rent. What are you alleging as the past due amount of rent?
What is the question? I can't hear you. What is the question?
What is the past due amount?
Okay. It's 3,395 plus 250 late fee for the whole months.
3,395 plus what?
250 for 5 months late fee.
For 5 months of late fee. How much is her monthly rent?
50. Monthly rent 1,600. Monthly rent.
1,000?
1,600.
1,600 per month?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And so you're saying she last paid rent when?
Last payment back of July, but every month they don't pay the whole. I put it in detail.
So she hasn't paid rent since July of this year?
Yes. July, they didn't pay the whole month of July, not whole month of June, not whole month of May. They pay little money every time. And August, nothing.
Okay.
August
They didn't pay all of the money.
Yes.
What did they pay in June?
Okay. June, they pay every amount except 352. I need 300.
They paid all but $350?
Yeah, 52. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so their rent $1,600, they paid $1,250.
Yeah, I minus everything. That's what I need from them. Just the only thing I wrote.
I don't want to know what you wrote. I want to know what they paid.
Okay, 1,600 minus 352. That's what they get. So you want me to calculate it? 1,600.
Well, yeah. It's not my case, it's yours.
I'm sorry. I thought
you gotta tell me what they owe, and you're not telling me.
I'm telling you what I need from them.
Did they pay their rent in April?
April, except 110, they didn't pay 110.
Did they pay their rent in January?
January, yes, ma'am.
Okay, the full amount.
Yes, ma'am.
February.
Yes, ma'am.
March,
they didn't pay me 650, and then they give me 200, so they didn't pay 450. I need 450 for March. Sorry, I thought I was supposed to write what I need from them.
March, they owe you 450.
Yes, ma'am.
April,
110.
they owe you $110.
Yes, ma'am.
May,
May, they owe me 404.
404.
Yes, ma'am.
June,
352.
July,
479, and the whole month of August.
and they've not paid anything for August.
Not at all.
For the full 1,600.
No.
And then you said there's late fees for each month, of
For
course.
each month, yeah, 550 per month, so it's 250.
Okay, so that's where you got 395 plus 250 in late fees. That's really 6 late fees, actually.
6
March,
yes,
April,
now
May,
I found
June,
the
July.
6, not 5, yes.
August, okay. You believe you have a lawful reason whereby you can withhold her money?
Sure do.
What's that?
Because on the lease signing, we had agreement that the house would be repaired while we were staying there. And they had not did no repairs to this house except the kitchen. And they just finished that last month.
So you're saying that you withheld the rent because of failure for them to make repairs?
And I didn't personally withhold the rent. My name is just on there. So the people that the other people that's on the lease is not here either, so.
But you're on the lease, correct?
Yes,
Okay, and you are Lakeisha Dickinson,
yes,
or Dixon. Is it Dixon?
Dickerson.
Okay, it just says Dixon. Okay, it should be Dickerson. Okay, and then I don't see anybody else being named today.
I know.
So
she
that's
don't put-
that's her prerogative.
Okay,
Okay, and so you entered a lease with her to pay $1,600 a month?
yeah,
Okay, when did you enter this lease?
December.
I have,
Do you have a copy of the lease for me? Because
I do have.
I don't want to read anybody's cell phone, so I would prefer to have copies of the
I know.
evidence.
No,
So you don't know when you entered into the
it's
lease?
December 9th.
Who do you live with?
My daughter and my cousin.
Your daughter and your cousin?
Yes.
How old are they?
27 and 30. 34.
And they're named on the lease?
Yes.
Were they originally on the lease or did you add them later?
I did not add them. My cousin signed the lease with me, and my daughter was supposed to be there to sign the lease, but she had a doctor's appointment with her daughter. So she had to sign the lease later on. I never added nobody.
Okay, so
to
you
the-
originally all moved in together?
Yes.
Okay. But you're the primary leaseholder?
No. No.
Okay, you have a copy of the lease? Sauce on there. Tenant's Lakeisha Dixon. That's all I see. I don't see anybody else on here.
Cortisha Shannon signed the lease with me. I
What's
don't
the
know.
signature
They
page?
added later.
You show me
She did that lease.
no, you don't have proof otherwise. You gotta bring me your proof. This is court. We deal with proofs. So where's your proof? Show
I don't
me your
have
proof.
the lease.
Okay, well then I have to go by what, it's about evidence here. You have a signature page?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, there are two signatures here. Who's the other signature?
Have
My cousin.
I'm asking her.
You ask me,
Who's the second
can I
signature?
come and see?
No, you passed me this. You don't know what's on here? Who signed your lease? Who signed?
Me.
And who else?
I have a manager. I just want to see where.
No, it says tenant signature. There's two X's. There's two signatures. One says Lakeisha Dixon. She's the first signature. Who was the second person?
It's me.
Who was the other person?
Cortisha
That's
Shannon.
Cortisha's name on there.
Is it?
Yes,
Okay.
why didn't you name Cortisha in the eviction?
Okay, where is Cortisha's name?
It's under Lakeisha's.
So if you see the lease in the top, the
But
lease
I don't care. Who signed it?
the manager, they call the manager.
But you allow, it doesn't matter. You have a signed document
Yes.
with two people's names on it, two
Yes.
tenants. Why did you only,
Can I tell you something?
you can answer my question. Why did you only name her in the eviction?
Because the lease didn't have it.
And Cortisha's.
That added by themselves.
It doesn't, no, she doesn't have that. That's what you just showed me. That's your agreement.
That's what the manager sent it to me right now
So
because
your manager allowed you to add it. So she's a lease holder. Why is she not here?
she's the one she's gonna say. She said Cortisha and Jazz they're supposed to come with her. She's the one.
No, you have to name them.
I named them in the notice for the 7 day.
Why didn't you file a complaint against them? You have to name them on the
I
summons
did.
and complaint.
I did in
It
the.
just says Lakeisha Dixon.
No, but
It does say all other occupants.
Can
Why
you-
are they not here?
Can I see? I show it to you. If you
Why
don't mind.
are the other occupants not here?
Can I show it to you?
I have it.
No, not this one. The ones their name on it. All of them.
Whatever's,
You have that?
I don't need anything you have because whatever I need for a complaint and summons is in my file.
Yeah.
If it's not the one that the court has, I don't need to see
I
it.
don't know why they didn't give you.
No, I need to see I don't need to see that.
Ah.
I need to see what's in my file.
Okay.
I see
Okay.
Lakeisha Dixon and all other occupants. It is a catch-all there.
Yeah.
Why are they not
They're
here?
at work, and
Okay.
I'm supposed to be at work. We do home health care, and
No, you're supposed to be at court.
yeah, I'm
So you
supposed
got
to be
a court
at
date.
because
Court is an order. You know what happens when you don't come to court? There's consequences.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't tell me you're supposed to be at work when you're supposed to be at court. Why aren't you paying your rent?
I pay my rent.
No. You all are jointly liable for this rent, and she's not getting it. Why is it not being paid?
It's being paid. It's
In
just-
full.
Okay, and for some people, it's slow with paying their rent. I pay my rent, my portions on time. The people that are not here are at work and at school. They have kids that have to be in school for that.
Okay,
So,
well, you mentioned something about you were holding rent because of some,
it was
repairs?
agreement. It was agreement.
where's the agreement?
Don't have it.
What is the agreement?
That the bathroom and the kitchen and the living room and the basement would be repaired as we were at their staying and paying our
What's
rent.
the matter with the bathroom, kitchen, and the living room?
Oh, the bathroom is a hot mess. It was, when we moved in, we cleaned it and
I don't know what a
everything.
hot mess means.
Well, the
Tell me
tub
what's
is
the matter
coming,
with it.
the sink is coming off the wall, the floor is damaged, the windows was broken, he replaced the window. The kitchen was damaged completely, the flooring.
Where's the
cabinets.
pictures of this? You moved in under these conditions?
Yeah, we had an emergency move. We had to make sacrifices.
Was it on the
choices.
lease that this was gonna be repaired? Who agreed that this was gonna be a repair?
She did, and her manager.
Okay, do you know what you're supposed to do if there's something going on in the property that affects your ability to inhabit the property safely and enjoyably? You know what you're supposed to do? Or what your lawful recourse is?
No.
You have to put the money in escrow at the court. Did you put money in escrow at the court?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so that's the only way you show good faith that the reason why we didn't pay the rent is because of the habitability issues.
I don't have pictures of this phone. I have it in another phone.
Okay. Unfortunately, I don't think you have a lawful reason to withhold the rent.
Okay.
And I recognize that you're not the only person living there. You're all liable. I don't know, but I think only Corticia's liable as it relates to being a leaseholder because her name was actually on the lease. The other person is not on the lease, did not sign that lease. You have two people who was named on the lease. You did not name them on your summons and complaint. That I don't understand why.
I did, but in the, I don't, I have the
You
many.
did not. I'm looking at your summons and complaint, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I have two of them. I give them every month's notice and I forgive them. I wait. That's why you see 6 months, I'm waiting for them. Every time they have excuse, I take it. And then we move on to the next month. And then I give them another 7-day notice and then they don't pay. So the last one, I put all their name in this page.
Okay, and so it looks like you were served personally, it says here, Miss Dixon, correct?
Yes.
Okay, okay. This is, your request for an eviction is granted because you have not been able to provide me with a lawful reason. The only other recourse was for you all to come to an agreement to pay the past due rent.
I don't have a problem with paying the cash rent.
It's what? Say what you need to say. This is your law. This is your only opportunity is to say it.
Her manager,
The manager what?
he comes pick up rent money. I don't know if he's giving it to her or not.
He gave it to me.
Don't
I don't know.
I'm
overspeak.
sorry.
I don't
Neither
know.
one of you are allowed to do that. So are you saying that you paid these amounts?
I paid money. We paid money to him.
Do you have proof of what you were,
You
what was
know,
paid?
Can I give you my phone?
I do.
How do you pay your rent, ma'am?
She get it Chime, Cash App, or money order.
Okay, okay. How much rent was paid? And you're the one who's paying it only? And
No, we all paid.
you are all sending money?
Yes.
Okay.
Separate.
No.
You're getting separate cash apps from each of them?
She
So-
begged.
Yes.
Ma'am, are you getting separate cash apps from 3 different people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why is that?
Because everybody, she said, I don't care, I'm just paying my part. She paid me 230 every month. She never stopped paying 200 sale for herself. She said, I don't care about the rest. And the rest is her kids, her
And you swipe
daughter
it.
and her. They don't pay. So I keep,
What do you mean her kids, her daughter? There's only 2 people on
no,
the,
the people live in the house. She said me, you just go and ask them. I'm paying mine. She always
go and
wanted to
ask them?
ask them to pay. And then that's what she tell me every time.
Why would she go and ask the other people
Yeah,
to
I
pay
asked
the
her, you
rent?
are the one who have to pay the rent. She said, I'm not the only one living in the house.
But you're a leaseholder.
And the rest are her kids, and one person is not her family.
Yeah, you only got 2 people on this lease. I'm gonna give you an eviction for everybody because they failed to pay and Corticia failed to appear, so she gets a default judgment. Is this the paperwork I have here?
Yes, ma'am.
You completed, it's by hearing.
Okay.
You can pay the amount, the past due amount, which is $3,395 plus 6 months late fees.
Yes, supposed to be 300, yeah.
You get it within 10 days, or you all have to vacate. Do you understand that? Any additional matters or questions? Any questions? Okay, you can have a seat. Thank you.